Good morning, students. Welcome to the next online English class. In previous class, we have read that the king saved the life of the injured man and he made peace with him. The king was about to leave the hermit's hut, but last time he wanted to ask the hermit to answer his three questions. When he asked the hermit replied him, "Your questions had already been answered." The king was surprised and said, "How?" The hermit just rewinded the story. So here we were on page 5. "Do you not see," replied the hermit, "if you had not pitied my weakness yesterday, had not dug these beds for me, but had gone your way, the man would have attacked you and you would have repented mean feeling regretful for not having stayed with me. So yesterday you came to me, you felt pity on me, on my weakness, and you helped me. Means, who was the most important person for you at that time?" Hermes said, "I. You came to me, you helped me. If you had not helped me at that time, and if you had gone away, you might have been attacked by the man, and you might have been killed, and you might have felt repented means feeling regret. So the most important time was when you were digging the beds and I was the most important man." So answer of your first question is, who is the most important people for you? So answer is, the persons to whom you are dealing with is the most important person for you. And you helped me yesterday. If you had not helped me at that time and if you had gone away, you might have been attacked by the men. So helping me helping me was the answer of your second question. But is the most important occupation for you? So helping the man who is to whom you are dealing with is the answer of your second questions. So afterward, when that man ran to us, the most important time was when you were attending upon him. Next example is, the man came running from the woods and you helped him without delaying. For if you had not dressed his wounds, he would have died without having made peace with you. So without delaying, without thinking anything, you helped him. So you didn't waste your time. So the answer of your third questions, but is the most important time. So present time is the most important time for us. So he was the most important business. Remember, there is only one time that is important, the only time when we have any power. So present time is the time when we have power to do action. We can't change our past and we don't know about our future. So we can do action only in present. So present time is the most important time for us to do any action. The most necessary man is he with whom you are. So as you have already been answered, who is the most important person? The person to whom you are dealing with. The most important affair is, what is the most important action? To help the man to whom you are dealing with, because for that purpose alone was man sent into this life, because God has sent us on this earth to help others. So this is the story. I hope you understood it, but still I'm sending you a link. Please go through the link and listen the story again. Thank you. Have a nice day.